Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Me, hope you all are doing well. So in the Christmas series we created a lot of decorations, snowflakes, Santa Claus, etc. But we never created the Christmas tree itself. So in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to create the Christmas tree in 4 easy ways. So let's get started. I hope you all enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you want to watch the other Christmas series nail art that I have done, please go to my YouTube channel and watch it there. These are the 4 easy ways of doing the Christmas tree. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel Me, and follow me on Facebook and Instagram. And I wish you all a Merry Christmas, and may all your wishes be fulfilled this Christmas. Thank you for watching, and I shall meet you again. Bye. Take care.